Easy sweet and sour chicken recipe. I can't believe I haven't actually done this on my site. Anyway, here goes a great fakeaway. It's 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 chicken breasts that have been sliced. Just cook them for a few moments until they're starting to brown and then take them out because you're going to add 1 whole onion to the pan along with a little bit more olive oil and 100 grams of mushrooms chopped along with 1 red pepper that's also been sliced up. Just keep mixing around each ingredient, and if it needs a little bit more olive oil, do. There's 1 clove of garlic going in. Again, like I said, just a little bit more olive oil in between so it doesn't dry. Then you want to add in between 200 to 400 grams of chopped pineapple. I'm adding a little bit of juice, but you don't have to. And again, however much pineapple you like. You want to add in 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, and 4 tablespoons of honey. It's optional, but I also like to add a little sprinkling of chili flakes. Now you want to stir this down, add the chicken, again to get all those lovely flavours combined, and it really is a case of reducing it down. I taste for flavour to make sure the sweet and sour is nicely balanced. And again, if you want the sauce a little thicker, just add a little bit of corn flour in water and add that. But eventually all evaporates off, goes glossy, delicious, sticky. So now your only choice is, what are you having it with? Chips, egg fried rice, the choice is yours. And here's all the details if you want it as a written recipe.